What's going on, guys? It's Aaron from Market Alert, giving you a daily market alert for stocks. And today, let's talk about what's happening with AMC Entertainment and Amazon. But before we get into it, if you like what we do here, hit that like button and be sure to subscribe. It really helps us with the YouTube algorithm and to get these videos out to you guys. And don't forget to comment below your thoughts on if Amazon buying AMC is a good idea. Alright, let's get into it. So, yesterday, on Monday itself, pre-market conditions was that AMC skyrocketed from its lows of $4.12 on when it ended on Friday to $5.89 when it opened the market. So now that's a very interesting situation because this was directly correlated with reports saying that Amazon is going to buy out AMC theaters. Now let's talk about that, right? AMC Theaters owns about 1,000 theaters and 11,000 screens globally. And it currently is closed down all the theaters for a period of 6 to 12 weeks due to the coronavirus. But what good is buying AMC Entertainment during this time? Well, we all know that the theaters being closed means a loss in revenue. And a loss in revenue means the company could go into bankruptcy. So before AMC goes into bankruptcy, it's going to be filing for receivership and some other forms of gaining funding, and I do not think they're going to get any funding since all the theaters are closed. Therefore, Amazon buying AMC puts it in a better position. First, buying AMC at a lower price to basically bail them out, but on top of that, the fact that Amazon can now stream their original content in AMC theaters and be in the global eye and basically bring in more people into the place without having to get an Amazon subscription. For example, there's a lot of content that Amazon already provides and makes original content for, however, and there's no theaters around the world which actually stream it, meaning if someone has to actually get a Amazon Prime membership. But not many people want that because they just want to have a one-off, hey, I want to watch this movie, and that's kind of how they want to go about it. And on top of that, Amazon content, original content that isn't eligible to Academy Awards and such. And the same thing is happening with Netflix, right? So Netflix is buying out theaters just so they could stream their own original content out and gain more viewership and be eligible to be nominated in Academy Awards. So what does this mean overall, right? From the financial point of view, it looks amazing. Because Amazon has a massive brand behind it, has a massive financial cash flow situation, and buying them out isn't going to make a dent in their actual financial state. So Amazon buying them could actually mean a better deal for us in the long run. If you look at the fact that these theaters are already broadcasting Disney movies and other content by other theaters and other production studios, now Amazon has the ability to be able to get this out into the public but also gain revenue from them, such as if they bought AMC theaters out, that is, start streaming Disney content to its public and gaining revenue from them through ticket sales, then Amazon is effectively making money off those ticket sales on content that they don't actually own anymore. So it actually looks like a really good buy. But which one should we buy? AMC or Amazon for the long run? And I feel like buying Amazon in the long run looks like a safer bet, just because when the price for AMC is overvalued at this point. A lot of this price is like a very speculative market. The interesting part of it is that the price right now is effectively what you would say is a trailer price. If I was to word it in the movie terms, right? Well, we haven't hit the movie yet. We're just getting a glimpse of what's going to happen, like a trailer. And AMC and the announcement just before the market opened on Monday is effectively just that. It's just a trailer to what's actually going to happen. But there could be some changes along the lines. We don't know about this. It'd be good to keep an eye out for this news, and I do believe that in the next upcoming days we will find a bit more about this, and it's a good time to also take a look at the price because as you can see, just as the market opened, it opened at $5.89, but as you can see, it closed the market around $4.94, so around $5.32. So it was a lot lower than what it actually opened at. And that's kind of a little worrying because the price doesn't really justify the actual financial situation of AMC itself. They haven't been meeting their earnings year to year, quarter to quarter, so it's not a very good buy from a long-term stock hold. From a short-term stock flip, it could be pretty good. It's got its own advantages. It's got its own. If you want to get in quickly, trade, make a few bucks, even a few thousands, if you do it correctly, it's perfect for that. But if you're talking about a long-term hold, not a very good choice. Whereas with Amazon, it actually is a good choice, and I think that's what you should guys probably invest in, just like I had. All right, so that's kind of the gist of what's happening with Amazon and the overall AMC bankruptcy. So there's a lot of articles around that are floating around. So as you can see, so you've got articles around from the street, you've got articles from Deseret News where they're all talking about this, right? This is all about how the market has been reacting to this news. About, as you can see, 47% of active trading just on AMC itself. From a stock that wasn't even doing anything or moving potentially for the past few weeks. It's clear that this news has affected the price and just the overall industry around the film industry, in terms of theaters and entertainment, quite massively. And as I mentioned before, the potential bankruptcy of the company is something we have to keep a lookout into. They have raised, like you said, like it says in the article, $500 million in cash and debt from a debt sale, and that could actually impact the sale of the company in the long term. If Amazon was to buy this, AMC will have to either sell some assets or pay that $500 million loan debt off before even Amazon even considers it, or Amazon's going to buy them out at a lot lower price. And yeah, that's all I kind of think about it. This is a stock that I will take a look at, keep my eye out this week, and make a move this week. And we'll see how it kind of goes, and I'll keep an eye out for the news, especially because this is a situation that needs to be monitored over in the long term, and especially this week since the price has started at such a high point at the beginning of the week. Well, thanks for tuning in, guys. Be sure to hit the subscribe button. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks.